Local news for Wednesday the 30th of January. Farmers have responded positively to Greater Wellington Regional Council subsidised packages of dung beetles with strong uptake, resulting in around 200 dung beetle colonies now active, primarily in Wairarapa. 41 farming operations have invested in the dung beetles because they deliver on-farm environmental and economic benefits from natural management of animal waste deposited in the paddocks. Emergency services were called to the scene of a serious crash involving a truck and car on State Highway 2 at Tauheraniko yesterday afternoon, just before 12:40. One person was initially trapped in the vehicle, was cut out and flown to hospital in a critical condition. And with just a few days to go, there's just over 400 tickets left for the Super Rugby match at Maungatautoko between the Hurricanes and the Blues. Anyone wanting tickets is encouraged to get them quickly to avoid disappointment.